Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use portrait mode and bokeh photos on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up your camera. Here, first, what we're gonna see is AI cam, but we want to switch it into portrait. Portrait is right here, and we get the information that we need to place an object 1 or 2.5 meters away from the phone. So before I do any of that, I'll just bring it right here, and here we have the slider that we can adjust from 1 to 16. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it and do the 1, then I'm gonna do the 16, and you will definitely notice a difference. So let me place it right in the middle here. Now let's take a photo. Let me quickly place it a bit here so you guys can see that I'm adjusting it. We're gonna place it like this. We're gonna click so we get the sharpness. And now more of an angle. So now we got everything that we needed, and here what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little bit of a comparison. This one is made on F16. This is on 1, so we can see that it's actually blurred out. Here we have the 16, and here we have the 1. So there's not much of a difference, but you can notice the difference here. Now, you probably wouldn't tell me what's the name of this monitor, but here you can clearly see that it's Dell. You can even see the search, the Windows 11, every single keycap on the keyboard, and also a good quality flower. So that's how you guys can easily use the portrait mode. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.